Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, so today we're going to move to the new chapter, which is chapter 6 on cost, theory of cost. So we go to the short run cost. So this cost is consists of short run and also long run. The time period is short run and long run. So short run cost means that during short run, there is not enough time for the firm to change the um, fixed cost. So therefore, in the short run, there is fixed cost and also um, variable cost. So in the short run cost, there are 7 types of cost. The first one is total fixed cost. Second one is total variable cost. Number 3, total cost. And then move on to number 4, average fixed cost. Number 5, average variable cost. Number 6, average cost, or average total cost. And number 7 is marginal cost. Okay. So how to find for the average fixed cost? So kita tengok macam mana nak kira average fixed cost. Total fixed cost divided by quantity. Average variable cost, total variable cost divided by quantity. Average total cost divided by quantity, and marginal cost, change in total cost divided by change in quantity. So when we calculate for marginal cost, kalau dalam calculus, kita cari differentiation of total cost lah. So DTC over DQ, itu dalam bentuk calculus untuk marginal cost. Okay, so what is total fixed cost? So total fixed cost is cost that does not vary as output vary. Maknanya bila kuantiti berubah, total fixed cost ni tidak berubah. Contohnya macam rental lah. Kita rent a shop. Kalau dalam pada bulan tu kita tidak ada apa-apa sale, tak ada apa-apa production, tapi kita still kena bayar the fixed cost. Kita kena bayar rental cost. Walaupun kita tidak membuat apa-apa perniagaan pada bulan tersebut. Contoh macam movement control order MCO ni, kedai-kedai tak boleh dibuka. Bila kedai tak boleh dibuka dan tak ada sale lah. Bila tak ada sale, perlu bayar rental tak setiap bulan? Perlulah walaupun kita tak buka kedai. So example of total fixed cost is interest on capital, and then rental payment, insurance premium, and so on. Number 2 is total variable cost. Total variable cost pula dia berbeza dengan fixed cost lah. So cost that vary as output vary. Maknanya bila output berubah, kita semakin banyak kita produce, semakin banyaklah fixed cost kita. Kurang produce, kuranglah fixed cost. Semakin banyak produce, semakin banyaklah variable cost kita. Semakin kurang kita produce, less variable cost. And then kalau kita tak produce anything, variable cost adalah zero. Example of variable cost is cost of raw materials, wages, cost of fuel, fuel tu maknanya minyak lah, and then cost of electricity, cost of water, and so on. So that is the theory of cost lah. Right, so in graphical term, kita nak tengok dalam bentuk graph. So ini adalah total cost, total variable cost dengan total fixed cost. This is the diagram. This is the cost and then quantity. So fixed cost is horizontal. Sebab apa? Dia tidak berubah. Sama ada kita tak produce apa-apa ataupun kita produce banyak mana, fixed cost kita tetap sama 100. And then total variable cost. Kalau kita tak produce apa-apa, kosonglah variable cost. And then upward sloping, maknanya semakin banyak kita produce, semakin banyak variable cost. And then total cost pun samalah, upward sloping. Tapi dia start at 100. Sebab apa? In the total cost dah ada total fixed cost. Total fixed cost campur dengan total variable cost dapatlah total cost. Okay. And then yang ini adalah average fixed cost, average variable cost, average total cost, and marginal cost curve. Okay. So average fixed cost downward sloping, and then average variable cost is U shape, average total cost is also U-shape tapi di atas kedua-dua average fixed cost and average variable cost curve. Dan marginal cost pula dia akan cut kedua-dua average total cost dan average variable cost at its minimum point. So bila average total cost berada pada minimum, average variable cost berada pada minimum, dekat situlah marginal cost akan cut at both curves. Okay. Right. Okay, so next we're going to look at how to find for the minimum cost. Ya, tak kisahlah cost ni yang kita tahu adalah kita kena minimumkan. Tak kisahlah what type of cost. Sama ada kita nak meminimumkan average fixed cost ke, average variable cost ke, average total cost ke, apa saja cost kita perlu minimumkan or minimize. Okay. Let's say kita ada satu soalan lah kat sini. Ya. So, this is the equation of total cost. So, this 1000 represent total fixed cost. Yang mana ada Q tu represent variable cost. So, total cost adalah total fixed cost campur dengan total variable cost. So, in order for us to find for minimum average variable cost, there are two approaches. Ada dua cara nak kira lah. Sama ada guna marginal approach ataupun kita guna optimization technique or optimization approach. Okay. So kita tengok macam mana kita nak kira minimum average variable cost.